Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And HP OmniBook Ultra 14 touchpad is not working. So click to start. It's not working means you can connect the external mouse for this testing and click to start. Then type device manager and click to open it. After that, extend human interface device, and this is touchpad. Okay, so select touchpad, right click to uninstall it, and then click to uninstall. Okay, so it will remove here, and then click to action, and then click to scan hardware changes, so it will come back again. Okay, and then close it. Then open any browser, Google search box to type HP OmniBook Ultra 14 and driver, and then you can see first support.hp.com. Open it, scroll down, and then extract keyboard mouse input. Second, see touchpad. Okay, touchpad driver, and click to download. After that it will start and complete it. Single click to open it, and then you can see touchpad filter driver, and then click to next. I accept, then next. Now it is installing, so it will complete. Then restart your laptop and then please check it. Thank you.